Are you a property owner looking to maximize your rental revenue? Look no further. Our all-encompassing rental management services provided by licensed Florida property managers are here to ensure your investment thrives.
We take the hassle out of managing your property. From pre-screening tenants for both long and short-term rentals to handling all property photos and marketing, we've got you covered.
Our services include professional cleaners, property manager walkthroughs before check-ins, and after checkouts. Every detail is meticulously noted to maintain your property's pristine condition. We guarantee online visibility and consistent bookings, giving your property the attention it deserves. Entrust your investment to a licensed property manager and rest assured with our 360 coverage, you'll maximize your rental revenue and enjoy peace of mind for your investment protection.
Contact us today and let your investment flourish.